Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok tortilla breakfast sandwich. So keep watching. So today we're going to test out the viral TikTok craze where you take a tortilla and you make one slice in it, and we're going to compartmentalize this into 4 different pieces. So here we go. Just start somewhere near the middle and just cut one solid line like so. Now we're going to put 4 different parts on here, and before we do it, I'm going to scramble up an egg. So let's do that first. So I have my hot plate right here. I'm just going to spray some cooking spray on there. When I scramble an egg, I like to crack it into a cup or something and scramble it in the cup before I pour it onto the pan. Make sure your pan's nice and hot. There we go. Cook your egg like you would any other scrambled egg. All right, so once our scrambled egg is cooked, you can flip it if you like. I'm gonna fold it up enough just so it'll fit into one section of our tortilla. Now, we can just take this, like so, and we're gonna put this right here on 1/4 of our tortilla. Now you can put anything you want on your tortilla. I'm going to put, so I have the egg on this one. I'm going to put cheese on this quarter. I'm going to put bacon on this one. You might have to break it up a little. Pre-cooked bacon, by the way. And I'm going to put cheese again on the last one. Now, you could put anything you want. If you want like tomatoes or anything at all, it doesn't matter. Just start from one end, the cut in, and we're going to flip that over onto our cheese. Then take that, flip it onto our bacon, and then flip it onto our cheese again. And there you go, we have our viral TikTok tortilla. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig into this. Hopefully I can get all 4 parts. This is delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this viral TikTok tortilla breakfast sandwich. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out these videos right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now, when I scramble an egg, I like to crack it into a, and there you go, we have the viral 4/4 tortilla and there you go, you have our viral, and there you go, we have our TikTok viral quarter, Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're gonna show you,